Begin by finding a serene spot, where you can sit or lie down without disturbances. Close your eyes, allowing the external world to fade away. Take a deep, nourishing breath, feeling the air fill your lungs, and then slowly release, letting go of any immediate concerns or distractions. As you continue to breathe, allow your mind to drift to the concept of unity. Unity is the interconnectedness of all things, the thread that binds us together in a harmonious dance of existence. Imagine a vast tapestry, woven with countless threads. Each thread, while unique in its color and texture, contributes to the overall beauty of the artwork. Similarly, every being, every element of nature, every thought, and every emotion plays a crucial role in the grand tapestry of existence. Visualize a forest, dense with trees of varying heights and types. While each tree stands tall and distinct, their roots intertwine beneath the soil, drawing nourishment from the same earth, sharing the same space, and supporting one another. This is the essence of unity, individuality coexisting in harmony. Feel the energy of unity coursing through you. It's a gentle reminder that, while you are a unique individual, you are also part of something much larger. You are connected to the people around you, to nature, to the universe, and to the intangible essence that binds all of existence. Think of the oceans, vast and deep. While they have different names and are separated by continents, they are all interconnected, forming one large body of water. The drop of water in the Pacific is no different from the drop in the Atlantic. They are part of the same vastness. As you breathe, let your heart expand with the realization that you are never truly alone. The same life force that flows through you flows through every living being. The same air you breathe is shared by countless others. The same earth that supports you supports all of life. Imagine a choir, each member singing a different note. While each voice is distinct, when they come together, they create a harmonious melody, more beautiful than any single note sung alone. This is the power of unity, the ability to create beauty and harmony through collaboration and interconnectedness. Feel a deep sense of belonging. You belong to the human race, to the ecosystem, to the universe. Your joys and sorrows, your dreams and fears, are shared experiences. They bridge the gaps, reminding you of the shared human experience. As you continue to meditate, let go of any barriers or walls you've built around yourself. Embrace the idea that, at your core, you are a part of everything and everything is a part of you. Now, focus on your heartbeat, the rhythmic pulse of life within you. It's a testament to the unity of body and spirit, of the physical and the ethereal. It's a reminder that while you walk your own path, you are intrinsically linked to the greater journey of existence. As this meditation draws to a gentle close, make a silent commitment to carry the essence of unity with you. To see the connections, to feel the shared heartbeat of existence, and to embrace the beautiful tapestry of life. Take a deep, grounding breath, absorbing the profound sense of interconnectedness you've tapped into. Exhale with a feeling of gratitude and oneness. When you're ready, and with no rush, gently open your eyes, carrying the sense of unity and interconnectedness into every moment of your life.